Mbeu njithi kuuma kaunti ya Narok nimaikitie mateta mao makiuga matikoretwo makiheo kamweke hari kandarathi ona thengia ya gatiba gukorwo ihitukitie gicunji kia mirongo itatu hari igana kiria gibatii kuheo mbeu njithi. Tom Cosmas ni murugamiriri munene wa mbeu njithi na uria uratongoretie mbeu njithi aya augite ni gukoretwo na ungumania munene hari ugai wa kandarathi na kuria mbeu njithi ingi matigitwo matari na mawira.
It is very disheartening and very discouraging because the access to these offices, like I said, unapewa appointment kama Panadol. That is how it goes.
Nake mwandiki munene wa mbeu njithi Bet Sarisa Elijah augite mbeu njithi ni magirirwo ni kuheo kanya hari ugai wa kandarathi.
There are several symptoms and witnesses of disregard in the mothers of the 30% tendering and contract process in the access to government procurement opportunities. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, directed the same to benefit the youth, women, persons with disability, and probably the local or the indigenous companies.
Mwenaini wake muteteri wa ihoto cia mbeu njithi Grace Nakola nioritie thirikari nene gutigirira mbeu njithi ni maheo gicunji kia 30 hari igana ta uria gatiba ihitukitie.
We are here to demand our right and to get our share from these old tenders. We are suffering, we are graduates, poor youth, and the rich criminals are benefiting from our shares.
Mbeu njithi atumia na andu aria mari na mawathe magirirwo ni kuheo gicunji kia 30 hari igana thiini wa uheani wa kandarathi ta uria gatiba ihitukitie. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.